The Assam government on Monday extended inter-district movement of the stranded people till May 2nd in personal and public transport with prior approval from the concerned authorities. The decision of travel within the state was taken during a meeting of the cabinet. The state cabinet had a meeting in the Janta Bhavan under the chairmanship of Assam Chief Minister Sarbananda Sonowal on 27th April. Informing about the new development, Assam Industries and Commerce Minister Chandra Mohan Patwari said the meeting was held to discuss the second phase of nationwide lockdown imposed in view of the COVID-19 pandemic. Patwari said the cabinet decided to extend the movement of the ASTC buses for the people stranded in various parts of the state till May 2nd. So far, the minister asserted that a total number of 27,000 stranded people have been transported by the ASTC buses to their home districts.
Some people are stuck off in different districts. So from 25th, actually, government has taken a decision entrusting ASTC to transport these people from other districts to their home districts and their different destinations. So this period was over on 27th, but Cabinet has taken decision to extend this period up to 2nd May.
The Assam government spokesman Patwari also said the cabinet decided that in rural areas which fall under green zones, all the shops will be open except the markets from Tuesday. However, made it clear that strict lockdown norms would be continued to be imposed in all the areas under red zones. Keeping in view of the records of the COVID-19 patients, 5 districts in Assam have been identified as red zones. The districts under the red zones are Nalbari, Dhubri, Morigaon, Golaghat and Golpara. The cabinet decided that the lockdown norms will remain effective in those red zone areas which fall under a 5-kilometer radius of the red zone areas.
The resolutions taken by today's cabinet. During this lockdown, second phase of lockdown period up to 3rd, in the rural areas which are green zone, all shops will be open except the bazaar and hat. And in the red zone, within the red zone area, so same policy and same strict rules will be applicable.
Regarding lifting or extensions of the lockdown, the minister said the cabinet did not take any decision on it and resolved to follow the decision to be announced by the centre in this regard. On 28 April, another person from the state tested positive for COVID-19. With this, the number of COVID-19 patients in Assam now stands at 36. However, active hospital cases are 8 and the state recorded 1 death. Bureau Report.